alphabet. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. The alphabet song. This is an A, A. Oh, what's the sound of A? Ah, ah, ah. That's the sound of A. This is a B, B, B. Oh, what's the sound of B? B, B, B. That's the sound of B. This is a C, C, C. Oh, what's the sound of C? K, K, K. That's the sound of C. This is a D, D, D. Oh, what's the sound of D? D, D, D. That's the sound of D. This is an E, E, E. Oh, what's the sound of E? A, A, A. That's the sound of E. This is a F, F, F. What's the sound of F? F, F, F. That's the sound of F. This is a G, G, G. What's the sound of G? G, G, G. That's the sound of G.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.
The man is eating noodles. The noodles is hot. Beside the man is a girl eating an ice cream. The ice cream is cold. Hot, cold. Hot, cold. Hot and cold are opposites. The five vowels. This is letter A. Letter A. Apple. This is letter E. Letter E. Egg. This is letter I. Letter I. Insect. This is letter O. Letter O. Ostrich. This is letter U. Letter U. Umbrella. Good job, kids! We are at the farm. I see a frog, and beside the frog is a fork. What do you think is our mystery letter for today? It's the letter F. That's right. Good job, kids. Let's sort the colors. This is an apple. An apple is color red. That's right. Good job. This is a pineapple. Pineapple is color yellow. Correct. This is a cherry, and cherry is color red. That's great. This is a banana. A banana is color yellow. You're right. This is a tomato. Tomato is color red. Good job. This is a pear. And pear is color yellow. Good job. This is a strawberry. Strawberry is color red. That's great. This is a lemon. And lemon is yellow. Good job. Congratulations, you did it. I see a treasure chest. What do you think is our mystery letter for today? Let's find out what's inside the treasure chest. Say open to open the treasure chest. Open! Wow, it opens. There are things coming out of the treasure chest. What is this object? This is a map. That's right. This animal is called a mouse. Correct. And this one is a mug. That's right. And this animal is called a monkey. Correct. Our mystery letter for today is letter M. Good job, kids. Hello, kids. There are 21 consonants in the English alphabet letters. Let's name them one by one. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Good job. Hello, kids. Let's find out the letters that you see on the tree. What letter is this? This is letter A. And A sounds ah. Good job. How about this one? What letter is this? This is letter B. And what's the sound of letter B? The sound of letter B is B, B, B. Good job. Next is this one. What letter is this? This is letter C. That's right. And C sounds k, k, k. Good job. Next is this one. What letter is this? This is letter D. Correct. And D sounds d, d, d. How about this one? What letter is this? Letter E. That's right. And E sounds eh. Good job. Last is this one. What letter is this? This is letter F. And F sounds f. Good job, kids. Counting numbers 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 12 months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Let's open the eggs and see what's inside. Say open. Open. Wow, it's a dog. Let's open another egg. Say open. Open. Wow, it's a cat. Let's open another egg. Say open. Open. Wow, it's a monkey. Let's open another egg. Say open. Open. Wow, It's a horse. Let's open another egg. Say open. Open. Wow, it's a rabbit. Good job, kids. The Alphabet Letters by Teacher Mommy Chris. Let's learn the alphabet letters by playing a game. The puppy is missing and wants to go home to meet his mom. Did you see the crying puppy? He is so sad and really wants to go home. Let's help him to find his way back home so he can be together with his mom. Are you ready? Let's go. This is the map, and it will help us to find the right direction on which way to go. Let's go to station 1. We must answer the question to past. The question is, which letter starts with this object? Do you know this object? This is a ball. And ball starts with letter B. Yay! We passed to station 1. There's 2 more stations to go. Let's go. Let's go to station 2. The question is, which letter starts with this object? Do you know this object? This is a drum. And drum starts with the letter D. Yay! We passed the station 2. There's 1 more station to go. Let's go. Let's go to station 3. The question is, which letter starts with this object? Do you know this object? This is a car. And car starts with letter C. Yay! We passed all the stations. Time to go home now. The puppy is now happy to reunite with his mother. Good job, kids. You did very well. Hello, children. Today, we are going to study the alphabet letters. We are going to learn the sounds of each letters of the alphabet. There are also some examples that starts with each letter. Are you ready? Can you say yes? Yes! Let's start. This is letter A. Letter A. A sounds ah, ah, ah. Apple starts with letter A. Alligator starts with letter A. Ant starts with letter A. What letter is this? Letter A. Very good. What is the sound of letter A? Ah, ah, ah. Good job, kids. This is letter B. Letter B. B sounds b, b, b. Ball starts with letter B. Bag starts with letter B. Bird starts with letter B. What letter is this? Letter B, that's right. What is the sound of letter B? B, b, b. Good job, kids. This is letter C. Letter C. What is the sound of letter C? K, k, k. Cat starts with letter C. Corn starts with letter C. Cow starts with letter C. What letter is this? Letter C. Correct. What is the sound of letter C? K, k, k. Good job, kids. This is letter D. Letter D. D sounds D, D, D. Dog starts with letter D. Donut starts with letter D. Doll starts with letter D. What letter is this? Letter D. Very good. What is the sound of letter D? D, D, D. Good job, children. This is letter E. Letter E. E sounds eh, eh, eh. Egg starts with letter E. Elephant starts with letter E. Envelope starts with letter E. What letter is this? Letter E. That's right. What is the sound of letter E? Eh, eh, eh. Good job, kids. Let's open the eggs and see what's inside. Say open. Open. Wow, it's a dog. Let's open another egg. Say open. Open. Wow, it's a cat. Let's open another egg. Say open. Open. Wow, it's a monkey. Let's open another egg. Say open. Open. Wow, it's a horse. Let's open another egg. Say open. Open. Wow, it's a rabbit. Good job, kids!